Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the piano chords to Best Parts by Daniel Caesar featuring H.E.R. So it's just going to be a short one today. So it is the same for 7th chords all the way through the song. So we're going to be splitting these 7th chords into two hands. So we're going to be playing the root note in the left hand and then the rest of the chords just 3 notes in the right hand. So you're not playing 4 notes in one hand. So here is middle C on my piano, and we're going to be forming the chords around this octave. So the right hand first, you're going to play A, C sharp and F sharp. And then the left hand we're going to play D. You're going to play that twice. And so that makes D major 7. And then the next chord is an A minor 7. So in the left hand, you're going to play A. In the right hand, you're going to play G, C, and E. And then play that twice. And then the next chord is a G major 7. So you're going to play a G in the left hand. In the right hand, we're going to play F sharp, B, and D. Play that twice. And then the final chord is a B flat major 7. So in the left hand, you're going to play B flat, and in the right hand, you're going to play A, D, and F. You're going to play that once, and then play the G by itself. And then it all starts again. So we've got a D major 7, A minor 7, G major 7, and then B flat major 7. It starts again. So that is literally it, the whole way through the song. So lots of nice jazzy 7th chords. You could, if you wanted to, have a go at playing octaves in the left hand. So like this. And then repeat the top note, but sustain the lowest note. And down to A's. To G's. B flats. So just to make it sound more full, I guess. Another thing you could do in the left hand is play in fifths. So you can play D and A and E, G and D, and then B flats and F. So that's what it would sound like with those. So for those who want to make it sound a bit more full but don't feel comfortable spanning the full octaves. So that concludes your tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it and it's been useful. Please give the video a big thumbs up if it has. And if you're brand new here, why not hit that subscribe button? Sorry if you can hear my dog in the background sighing. I'd love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials. If you'd like to leave a piano tutorial request, go have a look at the comments section of this video where I've posted a link. If you click on that link, it takes you to my request space, and there you can request any song you desire to learn. All requests are noted and considered. If you'd like to showcase what you have learnt using one of my tutorials, please upload a video of you playing to YouTube and make sure that you hashtag show Bitesize Piano so that I can find it and then I can feature you in my monthly showcase videos. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!